Okay.
In fact, I want to try this with Akash and Chandrima. I have something else for Naina. Okay. Separately, I have something else very specific for them. So Akash and Naina. Akash and Chandrima. Akash. I'm going to type down a number on my calculator that is very, very close to my heart. I will get back to that in a moment. That number is going to make a lot of sense to the overall scheme of things. Okay. I want to leave it right here so I don't move at all. And there is something here. Okay. Yeah. Here. That is going to stay right here. I will move a little bit closer. I'm not going to touch my phone. All of you take your phones. Of course, not Ayush. You can also take his phone. Yeah. All of you take your phone. Open your calculators. Okay. Akash, I want you to think of somebody from your life whose birthday or a birth year makes so much sense to you. If you believe there is no way I could know this, or you could go ahead and think of a specific number like your, I don't know, something like your ATM passcode. Between of these two, you can pick any bank you want, whatever is for you to comfortable revealing in front of all of us. Which one is it?
I should type that on the.
Tell all of us. All of us, it's open.
Oh, the number you want to know openly?
That is why I'm asking. You can go for a specific year or ATM passcode or a random 4-digit phone passcode or something that it just has to have some kind of a personal connection to you. Keep it 4-digit.
4-digit number. I've thought of a person's number.
You can think of your anything, any 4-digit number, but make it a little bit personal to you. Make it like a special year or a ATM passcode or a phone passcode or
Got it.
I don't know, somebody's birthday. You can combine anything you want, as long as it makes some kind of a sense to you. Keep it 4-digit. Let's not do a longer digit.
Okay, cool.
Tell us what is the significance and tell us the number. All of them will type this number, including you, on the calculator.
My brother's birthday. It's 10th July, 1007.
10007. All of you type 1007. Wow. Hit plus sign. Chandrima, please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
He went for his Akash's brother's birthday. Okay. I don't want you to go for something similar. I don't want you to go and think of somebody and think of their birthday. I wanted to go and think of something even more, I don't know. ATM passcode, if you're comfortable, fine. Or you can think of an imaginary ATM passcode. Or a special year from your life that has made a lot of positive shift in your life, or a future year that you're looking forward to. I leave it to you.
And I have to tell you what it is, like what the
category. We're gonna type this. Yeah.
Okay, thinking.
Chandrima, today, think of it.
2035.
Okay. 1007 plus 2035. All of you, please. Okay. Hit plus once more. This is the crazy part. I told you I have a number here that is very personal to me. Akash thought of his brother's birthday 1007. Chandrima went to future 2035. All of you have added these two numbers. Let me add my let all of us add my number as well. This is my ATM passcode 8098. add 8098 to the number already all of you have. Let's look at the final number. Hit equal to. Got it? All of you should have the same number. Got it? What is the number, Akash?
11,140.
$11,140. Akash's brother's birthday plus Chandrima's future year, my ATM passcode, 11,000. I am freaking out because I can see this. 11,140. Before I do this, outside of Netflix, all of us keep thinking about Netflix and chill. That's a phrase. Do you guys actually Netflix and chill? Akash,
Not really. We watch Netflix. We don't
chillness.
actually chill.
You know what? 11140, Akash.
Yeah.
In fact, I want all of you guys to actually Netflix and chill because Netflix.
Yo!
Lord.
Netflix and chill, guys. Come on. if it was a real show, I would have given this to you as a gift, as a souvenir. When we meet, we will do this. Thanks, guys.